Hey guys, I'm Maya, and today's video is going to be a review and install of the Ali Pearl Deep Wave hair. So here is the wig that I made using the hair. It is a 6x6 closure and 3 bundles, and everything is 16 inches. This is what it's looking like. I made it on my sewing machine. This is my second time making a sewing machine wig, so just to show you guys, like, stitching wise. Don't know how well you can see that, and then there's the closure. We're going to be installing this bad boy, and the first thing we're going to do is take our foundation and apply a little bit to the cap. Sorry if you guys can hear a TV or anything. Okay, so now that there's foundation on the front of the lace, I'm going to apply the wig to my head, and this wig cap came with the wig. I just washed this maybe 2 days ago, and it's just been air drying for 2 days. Because this cap does not dry very quickly. Put it behind my ears. And yes, there is an elastic band in it, but there are no clips. One thing about the closure, it doesn't sit that well on this side. I don't know if that had anything to do with my sewing. I don't think so, because I've made closure wigs in the past. And again, this is the 6 inches and 6 inches. Like you're seeing, goes from here to here. So all of that can be stuck down and be finessed. One thing I'm going to say about this wig now before I get into the review part is that the knots did not bleach. I bleached them twice with regular bleach and a 30 volume developer. I tried 30 and then I did 40 and 20 mixed together because I didn't have enough of each. And I'm just like... And we're on quarantine now, right? So I can't be going to the beauty supply store to get more bleach to try for a third time. But literally none of the knots bleached. And then I'm going to take some butterfly clips and just put back the hair from the closure. For the install, we're going to be using bedhead hard hold just because I don't want anything too crazy. So my main tip with working with this is if you're doing layers, make sure it gets tacky first, because when it's wet, I feel as though like adding more to it wet doesn't really do much. Ooh! I'm going to be parting off the front of the hair on either side. Not too thick of a piece. We're going to spray the spray behind the hairline. And then just, you know. And then about halfway through of brushing everything back down, you're gonna reverse brush it back up. And then blow dry some more. I think doing that makes all of the difference. Like with, I don't know, I saw Pisces Finest do that with her closure wig installs, and her installs are amazing. So I've been just doing that with closures. And this is what we're looking like so far. It's a little ashy on the corners. I am a part of I feel like weird to say that. I'm doing this challenge with some girls that I'm friends with on Instagram. One of those, you know, past the what you call it, brush to the next girl challenge. That's what I'm calling it. And I'm gonna be filming my little thing right now and then getting ready on this camera, but I'm filming that little thing on my phone. So I added my phone mount to here. Here's my phone, which is honestly low-key, high-key, gonna die soon. Ooh, it's gonna be good, good, good. It's gonna be good, good, good. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. We gonna redo it. I should be like, I got the clip, guys. I got the clip. Okay, so that was enough time to just slightly solidify my edges. And this is what we're looking like. We're looking gray, but we're looking stuck down. I need one more thing. Okay, so now we have the 70% alcohol and a cotton ball. We're just gonna clean it up. But try not to get it on the lace, which I already damn did. The next thing we're gonna do to counteract all of the darkness that we're looking at, and all the grayness, we're gonna take this. Or really, I know this is an old time favorite of a lot of people's, but any powder will do. Even your bronzer, it doesn't really matter what it is. Just nothing ashy. You're gonna go in there and try and smooth out what's looking wrong. That actually made a huge world of difference. Where are my, I feel like every time I cut baby hairs, they disappear. Like, I cut some. I know this wig already has baby hair. I'm not gonna cut any more. But where did they go? Once you do separate them, pull them forward. You don't look like a baby hair, you're long. Although you should be a baby hair. So going in with these scissors, because like I lied, I don't have good enough baby hairs. They've disappeared on me. I'm gonna cut some really short baby hairs. So taking my Lotta Body styling foam, which y'all probably see me now use several times on this channel. I haven't really used it with this product, the Bedhead Hard Hold, so hopefully it doesn't break down. I'm using a rat tail comb today. I don't even know why. Low key, like if you do stick down any hairs that were unwanted, it's kind of lifting them up for me, getting them from being plastic. It's my cat. And also brush back the hairline itself. This side is so fire. This is my good side of my face. And then what I like to do, just because of personal preference, is take my finger and get some of the adhesive spray and just brush over my baby hairs with just my fingers. Oh wow, that's popping up into my face. Oh god. Before I tie this down, I want to flatten out my part The worst thing about this hair, like I told you back here, I don't have a hot comb. I know that if I had a hot comb, it wouldn't be a problem anymore, because I would just be able to go in and just flatten out the whole top. But like I said, I don't have one. It just hasn't been on my purchasing list. I should get one with my Amazon haul I'm doing recently coming up. So because the thing about it is, it's a 4x6, but I kind of wear it like a 6x4 because I don't like, or which way is first? Is the width first or the length first? I don't really know. But I wear it like only 4 inches really for the part because I don't like long parts on myself. I think it makes me look really stupid. So like back here, I kind of want it to already, I don't utilize the whole 6 inches or even 5 inches going to the back because it just doesn't suit me. And that did do a lot. And then I like to take, again, some mousse. Yeah, we overuse the mousse. That's the one thing that we really overused during this install. And I like really watched Erica J. And if you watch her installs, that lady don't hold back. Okay, now we're starting to see lifting because of all of the moisture we put in to the wig. So some spray, and then put your head back so that the hair flows back. Okay, y'all, so we have finished the makeup. Okay, so we finished the makeup, right? And we're taking off the scarf. It's been giving me a headache behind my ears. They really hurt. I'll probably be the only video you see that brushes the hair out. I feel like whenever I see curly hair videos, I prefer the way the hair looks in the beginning when it's all big, because that's how I rock curly hair. I don't like that wet and wavy look. Not on myself, at least. And maybe it's because I have a small head that I don't like it. I mean, there are a number of reasons as to why I might not like it, but it just doesn't suit me. So yeah, make sure you comb out everywhere that you set with the mousse, just because it can get hard. Like over here is hard. We want to break the seal a little bit. Sorry, lighting adjustment. I felt like I was looking really washed out. I don't know if this helped, but that's the hair and makeup. I'm gonna get dressed, do my little scene for that clip, and then we'll come back with my thoughts on the hair. Okay, hey guys, so to finish off this video, I just finished, filming all my stuff or whatever, so now I'm gonna just tell you about the wig itself. So it came in this bag, this pink Alley Pearl hair bag. It came with like a little card talking about the hair, like, the company booklet thing, and wig caps. I didn't get any lashes or anything like that, just the wig caps. I got 2, and they were in like a dark beige color, which really suited my scalp. So very useful, very helpful. The hair, the bundles were packaged nicely. Like, it's just like every other company, like standard. They're in plastic, blah blah blah, hairnet on the closure, all good. I ordered a transparent lace frontal because I wanted to be able to blend the color better, which I think it does take to the powder that you put on it. It looks a little ashy, but not like drastically ashy. This is my first transparent closure, so I'm not sure if others are more transparent, but not bad. This hair does not tangle thus far. I've been wearing it for, I'll put on the screen how long I've had this wig. Not that long, but I have worn it almost every day. So besides for the past 2 days, because I just washed it and bleached the knots again. But it does not tangle. I have slept in this wig where I only had a hair tie on the front here because my other one fell off. And in the morning, it wasn't actually that bad considering I had no hair tie on and I slept in it, and it wasn't even in a ponytail. Because I installed it with Ghost Bond, so I didn't want to take it off every night. But Closure wise, it's pretty good. I could pluck it a little more to really make it realistic, but I personally don't have a thin hairline myself, so I don't like to make my wig's hairline too thin because people naturally have thick hairlines. I feel like with the frontal world, we've kind of like, we want everything to look kind of like low-key bald, and I'm like, people aren't bald though. Like, a lot of us sisters got thick hairlines. I mean, there's some, we have the edgeless as well, but a lot of us have pretty thick hairlines, so I don't want to make mine seem thinner than it is. So for me, as long as it's not like even, it's a little wavy, it's good enough. I'm looking in the mirror here, if that's what you're wondering what I'm looking at. I just love this texture. I think it is so beautiful. I think although it's deep wave, it comes across more of like a loose kinky curly for me. Like, not kinky curly because it's not coarse, but it's big. I feel like deep waves in the past have looked a bit more, you know, wavy. This is actually like you're getting coils, you're getting curls, and it's so beautiful the more you brush it out. Like, all under here is still defined. If I was to keep brushing, it would just get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And 16 inches, guys, I'm all over the place with this review, but 16 inches, it is long on me. I'm 5'5". Let me show you. With my head straight, goes down, like I was saying, it goes down to like the band of my bra, which for me is a perfect length. I think it is true to length, or even looking a little longer. It kind of feels like an 18-inch. It feels like my icy hair Brazilian kinky curly lace front 18-inch wig. It's like the same length, if not longer. One thing I do wish I would have done differently when making this wig, I wish I would have ordered an 18-inch for the closure, just because I prefer it to all be even here. But guys, I'm running out of battery because I'm filming forever. As always, thank you for watching. I love y'all. Check out my Instagram down below and please subscribe.